Hey everybody, it's your friendly neighborhood Shaw TV interns here. I'm Andrew Parker, we got Jeremy Edgar filming, and I'm hanging out today with local rock band Stone Throw Second. How's it going, guys?
Really good.
Braden, why don't you tell everybody who these people are and what they do in the band?
I play the guitar. This is Jeremy, plays the drums. He's Dan, plays rhythms. And this is Pat, he plays the bass.
How did this all come together? Jeremy and Dan, I know you guys worked together before Stone Throw Second, but how did this band all get together?
Well, I guess it started. We were in the old group and we were doing a record, so I needed some quick cash, so I got a job, and it just turned out that I ended up working with Pat and Braden here. So when the old band kind of faded away, I remembered that I had a couple, aces in the hole with these guys, because I know they're really talented and they're a little younger, but I thought the talent was definitely there. Just needed some cultivating.
That's cool. You get them young and you can turn them into whatever kind of musician you want, right? I'll shape them my own way. Okay, so you guys have had a really busy year. You released your debut album here in June, and right now I hear that you're working on your EP already. Where are you at with that? How's the progress going on that?
We recently just applied for a grant with Manitoba Film and Music, and we're working with Dale Penner right now at Paradise Alley Studios. And yeah, it's working out really nicely. So we're looking to do 2 EPs. We have quite a few songs, and looking to do maybe 6 per EP.
There's no one to miss you, you feel alone. The city's burning down.
What else do you have coming up in 2012?
Year of a Deadman show on January 31st.
And you guys also have possible shows or other tours coming up?
Yeah, aside from the Theory of a Deadman show at the Burton Cummings Theater on the 31st, we have a possible tour to the Czech Republic, which is really, really quite something. Kind of a local artist that we know helped us out in kind of, I guess, getting us in touch with their program. It's a program called the Josiah Venture, and it kind of partners the local schools with their local churches in the areas. So they're going to be using a band like us to kind of help them develop those relationships. Yeah, so that's something that is really cool. That program. I think it's not only the Czech Republic. I think there's also Poland and Slovakia that will be playing in possibly. So we're looking forward to that.
Okay, lots coming up this year for Stone Throw Second. Make sure you check them out January 31st at the Burton Cummings Theater, opening for Theory of a Deadman. Until then, you can download their music off of iTunes. Stone Throw Second, thanks so much, guys. For Shaw TV, I'm Andrew Parker.